Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wairimo. If you're new here, I'm Wairimo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first day stumbling on this channel, kindly I do everything in regards to hair, natural hair, that is, skincare, acne treats to be precise, lifestyle, fashion, everything in between. So if it's your area of liking or you love that kind of thing, please consider my channel on a subscription box and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to do box braids, but what are they called? Bob box braids. Now, I've never done bob braids ever. I don't like short hair. Like, I don't like when I use extensions. Like, I don't like doing them with short hair. If it's my hair, that's fine, but if it's like me using an extension, a braid, or anything else, I prefer something longer. But today I decided to challenge myself and just try to do the bob box braids. So without wasting time, without further ado, again, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. Continue liking, continue watching, and yeah guys, let's build this family. So without further ado, the lighting banner. Okay, yeah. Without further ado, guys, the light is so much over here. So if at one point it becomes so much, forgive me guys. It's just that today is very, very sunny, which is something to be appreciative of. But yeah, so let's get into this video, guys, please. What you're going to need is I'm using the Darling Abuja short braid. It's in number 2. I know my hair is has a bit of color on top, but I think I'm just going to use black. I couldn't find actually the braid that had like this kind of color down here, because that's what I prefer. I prefer black and then another color down here, but I couldn't find it. So I'm just going with Abuja short braid number 2, and I'm using, these are 2. I'm using a 3-pack. I had already used this kidogo. What else do you need? Oh, these ones. Can you see? These 2 metallic accessories, and then I'm gonna use the rubber bands. I'm using the rubber bands method. And then you'll need a scissor, a comb of course, and an oil. So the oil is I'm going to oil these rubber bands, because when you oil them, they make the hair firm, because I don't want to start braiding on the root of my hair. That's why I'm using these rubber bands. So you just oil them like that. Just going to use the extra oil on my hair. So what else do we need? So I'm going to do this hair in box braids. That's why I'm saying they're bob box braids. Oh, and some hair bands too. So let's start. So I'll start from here. Let me start from back. Oh guys, number 1, make sure you prep your hair before you braid it. Before you put your hair in a protective style, it's important that you prepare it. By preparing, I mean you stretch it. That is like you detangle it. Make sure your hair is well detangled. Put some leave-in treatment, put some oil, and then some cream to make sure your hair is well moisturized before you can braid. So guys, can you see? Let me move a bit closer. So again guys, I'm gonna share a bit of this video on my IG and on my IG feed. If you have not already followed me, the link is down here. for, or my handle is down there. I'm doing this for 100 days, 100 styles with Abuja. That's something that is going on with the darling hair care. So I'm just going to take this part. I want them a bit thicker, so yeah, like that. So what you do, guys, is you have this part over here, and this style is inspired by Adana Madueke. Adana Madueke, I hope I have said her name well. You'll see her picture over here. Adana Madueke, she's a natural hair guru, I would say. For me especially, I follow her so much because she's epic when it comes to natural hair and styling, tutorials. She's just amazing. So it's inspired by her, but she didn't do the box braids, she just did the normal braids. So I'm using her method of braiding, but I'm braiding my own. I put them in my own way, that is, put them in box braids, in box braids. Yeah. So I have this hair over here. Okay, okay, I have this hair like this. So what you do is you split it into two, like that. Okay, you have it like that. Then you take the extension, which is this braid, you put it across like that. You see what I've done? And make sure both sides are on the same level, that way. And then you take your oiled rubber band, like that. So you have that, you see, you have that. So what you do, you take a quarter of this, just a quarter of it, and then a quarter of this other braid. And when you do that, the part of your hair, you put it in the center, and then you start braiding. it down, and then when I'm done braiding, I can now like style it like over here. I can now style down there. You see what I'm talking about? You have your braid. So again, let me repeat this process. I'll repeat on this other side. So I have the braid here. So again, I'm going to show you this style again. You split that like that. You put the braid in the middle. Make sure both sides are on the same level. Then you take your oiled rubber band and you just put it there. Like that. So when you're done, it's supposed to have such an effect. So when you're done, you take a quarter of the braid on one side and then another quarter on this other side. Put them in the middle, the 2 quarters. Then you start braiding. Some people prefer the reverse method of braiding, but I find this simpler for me. It depends with how you're able to braid your hair. My hair sit like this until I'm done, but it's coming out like they're not I'm not finishing up to the end. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to braid as I finish down here. So I'm just going to use a rubber band down here like that. The rubber band is to give me that the part where I can cut it, but then again it's a great way of making sure like what you have down here is great, I think. And then, but then again, I don't want to use the candle. You know the way people use a candle and then they burn the ends. I don't want to do that, because that would mean everything I wear would have to, in short words, itaharibu tops. That's what I can say. So you see what I'm doing, I'm making sure I use a rubber band down here to create that effect. So I don't know if they're longer, I don't know. Let's continue.
How do you do it? You got me losing every breath. close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough.
So guys, this is the final look of the bob box braids. Yeah guys. So yeah, I hope you like this video. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. So don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and kindly don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I hope you love this video like how I loved showing you guys how to do it and how to rock this hair. I've never rocked bob braids before, but here we go. So yay to new challenges, yay to new styles over here. So until the next video, stay safe guys. I'm sending you lots of love and sunshine. Bye bye.